Hello, this is MCG Tech and my first teardown. I found the eMachine listed on an app called Letgo for $25. Upon contacting the seller and offering to take it for free, he met me in the middle at $10. For specifications, this came with an AMD Sempron 3300 Plus clocked at 2.0 GHz, an optical drive, 512 MB of DDR SD RAM, and a Radeon 9550. I started by unscrewing a loose screw holding in the PSU. Then I started unscrewing the side panel, starting with the screws on the edge. Once there were no more screws holding the panel down, I popped it off the case, revealing the headphones that came bundled with it on the listing. Next, I started disconnecting all of the cables connected to the motherboard, optical drive, fans, and PSU. I then removed all loose cables. I then removed the 512 MB of DDR SD RAM. Following that, I began to unfasten the Radeon. Once the screw was removed, I was able to pull out the Radeon 9550. To release the heatsink, I first had to unscrew the front fan. With the fan gone, the bracket could now be removed. Now the heatsink could be removed by simply unscrewing it. With a raise of a lever, the AMD Sempron 3300 Plus could be removed. The footage of the rest of the teardown was lost, but I can still show you everything that was inside. The eMachine included the case, a motherboard, miscellaneous cables, the PSU, a Radeon 9550 GPU, a motherboard battery, a wireless adapter, a line-in card, 512 MB of RAM, a Sempron 3300 Plus, a mount, a case fan, and a heatsink. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.